Let's define what a cryptocurrency is. A cryptocurrency is a piece of software that enables two parties, perhaps more than two parties, to transfer wealth to one another without an intermediate party. There's no intermediate party needed to store the asset. There's no intermediate party needed to transfer the transfer of wealth, and there's no intermediate party needed to keep a ledger. Now, cryptocurrencies have come along, Bitcoin's the first one, to try to solve a certain problem set. And that problem set has to do with currencies that we experience today and payment rails that we experience today, whether it's dollars and euros and yen, or it's Visa and banks. And some of those problems are, it takes a long time to settle the transfer of wealth. It's expensive. There's a lot of fees associated with transferring that wealth. There can be a lot of manipulation, a lot of inaccuracies, a lot of distortions that come from such things as hacking or internal nefarious behavior, software bugs, so that the actual accuracy of that transfer of wealth comes into question. And these transfers of wealth these days are permissioned. It's difficult to transfer wealth without the permission of a government, a bank, or some other central authority.